Yeah, alright, chat. It's your boy Michael FX. So I want to give you guys a week recap. Not a week recap. I mean like what you should expect from Monday. Expectations for next week. Basically next week on the pairs I trade. I trade the pairs. Trade Euro USD, GBP, JP1, XAUUSD, and most profitable EU and GJ. So goes to show a very profitable pair for me. But like I talk about most, I want to give you guys your next week buyers and stuff like that So we want to start. We're going to have. I'm also going to give you guys some information. I think I should start with that. If you go to my click, I still have my back testing. I was back testing before, so like I stopped. I deleted all the accounts for the back testing, and I'm opening new ones for my channel. This one back testing for my channels. I go to back testing all these pairs live every maybe I go to back testing then and I'm going to posting 2 times on my back test. I was posting most on Saturdays and Wednesdays. On Wednesdays, it's probably the back test I've done during the week. Then I will edit and post on Wednesday. Then on Saturdays, at like the back test I've done Thursday, Friday, I'll post on Saturday. And Wednesday one is Monday, Tuesday, post on Wednesday. You feel me? So I'm going to start. My initial balance is $1,000, and our starting date is yeah. There's a problem. It's supposed to be 2024 September 2024. I'm supposed to do that later. September 2024. I will start back testing. I can say I'll win it for a whole 1 year. I also back test from September 2024 first September 2024 to 2025 first September. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So if you like this kind of things, also like called reverse mentorship, that's what we're doing on this channel. You're learning from like a minor, you understand? So let's go down to our what am I doing yourself? Let's go down to our chair. So if you have a clearer zoom, out, you can see this is what price is doing. Price is bullish. Price is overall bullish. You can see a break. I'm coming to start this. You can see a break of structure. This is shifted bullish on the 4-hour time frame. You can see break of structure. As you can see, after we had the break of structure, low, high, broke out this high, so you can see higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, anyhow. So let's see what will be happening since. I'm going to this part for an example. So people that don't understand structure at this point, they would have think price has turned bearish because it closed below this candle. Because it closed below this low, I was able to create this strong low basically. So they would have thought that more price have turned bearish. They have to look for sales around this zone. As you can see, I knew, so I marked this as liquidity. So when price came back to it, you see process creating, showing consolidate around the zone, and when price consolidates around the zone, it's because of insufficient liquidity from sellers at the zone. We tell that of course we're bullish. So price did this. A lot of traders have been induced to look for sales around the zone, which I took sales around the zone, of course, because I knew when making price tapped on the zone. I knew it was going to sell. I took around this area. I don't know if that was on my channel. I took sales around this area, but of course I was not trying to aim or expecting to come and take out this low. So I took sales rare, but I knew that one just for the short term trend. Understand? So after price created a break of structure, find established liquidity, created a break of structure. Now this was the demand I was able to create this break of structure. When price already pulled out to it, but of course price didn't relax. It created another break of structure, came down to take out this low right here. Telling us that this is overall trend is bullish and price next to go to be very strongly bullish. So I want to see for price to turn bullish on the 15-minute time frame too. So before price can do that, the low has to be taken out. Either this low can get taken out. either the low man get taken out, then price does this. Come here, do this, as you say now, take this out, take this out, or take this out, then take any zone that it was able to take it out. For us to confirm our bullish, that has to be for our entry model. So overall, they're expecting a lot of buying momentum next week on EU for this pair. Our buyers for next week is very strongly bullish because now we're also following the forward trend now. We're no longer in a push phase now. Price already pull back to the zone. Of course, what do you expect now for price after it just pull back to the zone to continue to buy? So now we're in a push phase. So let's go to our. So that one was easily expandable. So let's go to our GJ pair. Of course, we'll start from this GJ. Let me make a wide expand for you guys. So GJ. So on GJ, we're bullish right here. From here like this, we're bullish. And when price was around this area, I was getting some selling momentum, but of course, it took sort of time. Insufficient liquidity from sellers was able to break out the high, close above it, so price pull back to this area right here, created our turn bullish on 15-minute time frame, created another break of structure, and this is the zone I expected price to pull back to, but it didn't pull back to it, but it took out this liquidity that was below this low right here. So the price takes that kind of liquidity, don't always expect price fully come back to your zone. So basically guys, it's a max our swing high right here. I'm getting price to pull back. So I then go down to a 15-minute time frame. Then when I went down to my 15-minute time frame, so this was the most recent break of structure. This one was also a strong one. Was able to sweep liquidity. Like the break of structure. I think if you want to look at this from more internal perspective, this would have been it. But like this is the zone I'm expecting. Maybe it might not pull back from exactly this zone, or come down more. I want to look for buys around this area next week. This is basically what I'm looking for. So I'm bullish on GJ also. So based on bullish, let's do my last pair. XAUUSD. I think I spent XAU for some reason. XAUUSD is a complicated pair, and it's a lot of imbalances. I don't feel like they're really filled already. I really don't feel like what I'm seeing, they're not really filled already. So of course, as you can see, I'm bullish on this pair. Lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Now, as the price is here, basically, they're coming to take out. Let's come back to do this. Came down, took out this right here, sub liquidity. Now there's some boost buyer steps into the market. That was happened right there. So we're just following what price is showing us. So we'll go down to our 15-minute time frame. Bring out price. See this zone, price came back to its sub liquidity, credit break of structure. Back to the zone, broke structure. So I'm waiting for price to pull back to this zone. I'm confident about this zone and continue to have enough momentum to take out this high. So I'm bullish also. So when price come back to this zone for our entry model, so you understand our entry model, we have two entry model. The same entry model but like in different ways. So that basically it. Let's check our DXY. So our DXY are bearish and DXY are bearish. More bearish on DXY around this zone, more bearish on DXY. So it complies with our liquidity. New structure, secondary liquidity. So we're expecting price to see exactly what I said in that other place. Before price will turn bearish in this zone also at this 15 4-hour supply. Come and take this out, or take this out, and take out so that I was able to take this out. So that's basically it for my weekly anticipation, or you can call it weekly bias, or you can call it anything. So if you like videos like this, you see, before you start asking are you young and this kind of thing, because they call reverse mentorship, like I explained in my psychology video. Most times, people actually, especially people that have trained for long, you actually have to come back to the past in order to push fire, in order to push, continue going. You have to come back to the past. People like that were like you when you were so young, when you were just starting, when you were also a newbie. You understand? So what you need is a reverse mentorship, which you can get on my channel to actually tell you how we still think, to remind you to the past and stuff like that. So if you like this kind of video, like and subscribe to boy Market FX, no big deal. I also do not have any accounts. In case you have any deal you want to bring, free. I'm free. Please bring a good deal. Don't can give me or tell me anything. Alright, thank you. That's it. That's it for today. Peace out. It's your boy Mark.